This is your sign to get miracle knots. Here I am styling the miracle knots hairstyle. This is with synthetic hair, and it is light on the boho side. So, but these are miracle knots nevertheless, and I'm just styling it. The reason why miracle knots is trending so much is for this reason right now. It's so lightweight and easy to style, and this is why the girlies is loving it. I wouldn't consider this like a low maintenance hairstyle, considering you do have to maintain the curls and moisturize the hair, but I feel like you do the same thing when you have regular boho knotless. I don't feel like personally it is a huge difference, because anytime you wear any type of protective style, you need to make sure you are moisturizing and oiling your hair and just making sure your hair is still being sealed while in the braids. But the reason why I love Miracle Knots is because it's just so lightweight. Again, very lightweight. And we didn't maintain these curls that well, guys, by the way. And this is over a month and a half time period of her curls. But again, it's on the lighter side when it comes to boho, because she's a teenager and she's not going to maintain her hair the way that I would. That is the reason why it's light on the boho tip. But again, very easy to maintain. And I do want to say that right before I started this styling video, I refreshed her hair, and that was the first time I have refreshed her curls, especially with it being synthetic. So you guys can go check that video out. But I just wanted to show you guys a couple styles you could do using a couple accessories like bobby pins, hair ties, a claw clip, all the things. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed all of these styling. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe, repost, reshare, do all the things. I'm really trying to grow this platform and get it out to you guys. But I just wanted to show you guys how to style miracle knots. If you are feeling like, how do I, make these look really cute and all the different hairstyles. So I hope you enjoy. I also want to mention that the hair that I used to create this Miracle Knots hairstyle was the free tress beach curl hair. So I just wanted to put that out there because I know I'm going to get a comment of what kind of hair did you use. So yeah, we'll continue to watch.